Hello, my lovely, beautiful, magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. Uh, I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, for sharing my channel, for sharing my video, for liking, sharing, and subscribing to it, for commenting beautiful things to me. And for those who has not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the important messages. Whatever messages are important for you, you can get that messages. This is your extended love reading for January 2021 for sunshine, moonshine, and rising sign Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. I've already uploaded your main reading. You can have a look on that, and I'm going to tell the energies. What are the energies right now I am having for you for January 2021. Let's see what are the energies. See, again the world card is here. You completing some kind of karmic cycle, Aquarius. See, there is world card and there is Queen of Wands. Okay, so you are dealing with whatever. Right now you are having a partner here. Again the Eight of Wands is here. Oh wow. There is King of Swords attached to it. Okay, so communication is coming towards you by this King of Wands. There is lot of communication which is coming towards you. Okay, there are lots of messages maybe coming to you. Communication is coming to you, Aquarius, and you are going to come towards the calmer waters after this communication. There is Six of Swords here, and you're taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You're ready to cut them. You're looking towards them and you're asking your questions, and you know the truth. Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, this is beauty with the brains. This is someone who knows the truth, and they will cut immediately if they find out that the other person is telling them lies, cheating, manipulation, mind games. If they are doing that, they will cut immediately with the swords. But Aquarius, you are more focusing on those things which are fallen out in your life, which has already passed in your life. There is Five of Cups energy here. You have more sad remorse on those things which has already happened in the past, but you're not looking at the back. With in the back there are two cups which are waiting for you. But do not worry at all. I know why are you in this energy, because I can relate it to myself too. Because you're completing some kind of cycle here. The world card is here. I'm rising Aquarius, and sunshine is also my Aquarius, and moonshine is my Gemini. So I'm more of an Aquarius here, so I can relate it to that. Okay, completing some kind of karmic cycle. The cycle completion is happening for you. There is someone from your past. There is Six of Cups is here. This person is from your past. This is not the new energy. Okay, this is someone which you are already connected with. Okay, this person is someone who you both know each other, and this is also a soulmate card. Okay, then there is Queen of Wands, Seven of Cups, and Page of Swords. Maybe you are exploring, you are having lots of options to explore. Okay, Aquarius, you are keeping your options open, or you are keeping a tabs on someone. You doing your Page of Swords is all about keeping an eye on someone, doing spying and all. So do you are keeping an eye on someone. You are doing your spying through social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You are doing your spying and all, okay? But here I'm having Queen of Cups and King of Cups and Page of Wands here. You both want to offer your cup to each other. You both are someone who is very emotionally balanced, who knows the value of emotions. You are full of emotions. Maybe there was a page of there, because there is Page of Wands. So there was some kind of um, small initiative taken by your side, but that is going to end here. There is something which is going to end here, and there is death card and there is temperance here. Okay, but you need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Whatever is ending right now, because there is death and rebirth, so transformation is taking place in your life and you need to keep your patience. So let's start your clarification. See, again the 3 of cups has come. Let's see why there is the energy of 5 of cups. Clarify me 5 of cups, and it wants to fly out. Five of Cups is clarified by 5 of Cups. You are more focusing on those things which has been fallen out in your love life. There is bottom of the deck, I'm having the Lovers. Then there is 2 of Swords. You are unable to make a decision. You are already putting lots of efforts in the relationship maybe. And there is Hermit here too. So let's see more. Why there is 5 of Cups energy? Or you are more focusing on those things. You are more focusing on those things which are, see, Empress has come here. King of Cups, bottom of the deck. This is you. King of Cup and bottom, see. You're completing a cycle, that's why. You're more focusing on those things which has been already happened in your life. You're crying on spilled milk. That's it. So do not cry on spilled milk, Aquarius. So let's see why there is, what is the communication card means here. 8 of Wands. Clarify me 8 of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 7 of Cups again. And these 3 cards just fallen out. Death, 10 of Cups and 6 of Wands. Whatever situation is happening right now, maybe you are confused what to choose. Okay, you are many options to choose here. You're exploring your options. There is 7 of Cups here. You are having lots of options to choose, Aquarius, but you do not know what to choose. Okay, you're thinking and contemplating that what to choose, which road to take, which cup to take. You are having lots of options, and every cup is fill up something. Okay, there is not empty cup here. But whatever situation, whatever confusion you are having right now, confusion, I'm getting the word confusion again and again, that is situation is going to end. And there is 10 of Cups and 6 of Wands. You will receive your 10 of Cups energy, Aquarius, and that's the communication you're going to receive. You will get success, recognition, victory here in receiving your 10 of Cups. You want 10 of Cups and you're going to receive it from your Lovers is here. Okay, clarify me King of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Moon. There is some secrets which are hidden from you. Okay, there are some secrets which are hidden from you. There is Moon card here, and this person is from your past. The King of Wands has been clarified by 6 of Cups. So this is someone from your past who you know already. Okay, there is 6 of Cups here too. There are 2 6 of Cups here. So there is someone which you know already. This is not the new energy. This is your wish fulfillment. There is 9 of Cups here, but there is some secrets which is hidden from you. There is a Moon energy here. Let me clarify why there is 6 of Swords. Clarify me 6 of Swords. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 3 of Swords. Maybe they put you in a third party situation, or the 3. See, Temperance has again here. Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands has fallen out. You're coming towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius. Do not worry. In the past, maybe someone put you in a third party situation. Your heart was broken a lot, but you need to keep your temperance, your patience with you, Aquarius. Whatever has happened in the past, you do not have to worry at all. You will come towards a calmer waters, okay? Why there is Queen of Swords? See, I told you this. Again the cards has come. There is something in which maybe this person is your wish fulfillment. There is Nine of Cup and there is Moon. There are some secrets which are hidden from you, Aquarius, and you know the truth. You know the truth. Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. You know that there are some secrets which are hidden from you, and this is someone who is your wish fulfillment. You know this, that there are some secrets which are hidden. Clarify me the World card. Clarify me the World. You're walking away from the Emperor. The Eight of Cups is here. You're walking away. You're moving in a forward direction. You're walking away. You're leaving a situation behind and you're moving in a forward direction. Okay. There is Nine of Wands. Seven of Cups has again come. Then there is Two of Pentacles and there is Knight of Swords and there is Two of Pentacles. You are standing straight to fight. Okay. You're not giving up. You are having lots of options to choose, Aquarius, but someone is rushing towards you. There is Two of Pentacles. There is not a you're trying so hard to bring a balance in your life, but you are unable to make a balance in your situation. Some of you, Aquarius, are moving away from this relationship. Recording reading time is 1144. You're moving in a forward direction in search of your Nine of Cups. You're moving away from this Emperor. And this is your divine counterpart. I'm having Empress here. Why there is Three of Cups? King of Cup, okay. Why there is Three of Cups? Clarify me Three of Cups. Clarify Three of Cups. Okay, so you are waiting your ships to come, Aquarius. You have to make a you have to make a decision, but you are feeling like an hangman. See, hangman has come again. There is someone who is trying to give you Ace of Cups. This King of Cup is trying to give you the Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotions, your emotional fulfillment, but you are feeling like an hangman. Okay, you are hanging in a situation, you are stuck in a situation. You have to make a decision. You are at the crossroads, but you are waiting your ships to come. That's why there was a hangman here too from this deck too. You can have a look on your main reading too. I got this hangman here 2 times. So some of you, Aquarius, are feeling like an hangman. You are unable to move. You do not know what to do. Okay, they are offering you Ace of Cups. There is an Ace of Cups here. Your emotional fulfillment is here, which is being offered by this King of Cups, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. There are Six of Pentacles here too. Equal amount of give and take. You will get it. Why there is Six of Cup? Clarify Six of Cup. Clarify me Six of Cup. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Sun, Four of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Five of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Sun. See, I told you. There was some devil energy which was attached to your relationship, Aquarius. There is a Chariot. You are using your intuitions. You also want to move forward. You also want to move in a forward direction. 1441 was the recording reading time. You know the difference between what is white and what is black, what is right and what is wrong. You are using your intuitions. The wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. The devil is attached here, and there is 10 of pentacles, abundance of everything. But there is something which is not good here, because there is devil which is attached here. There is some kind of toxicity which is attached to this relationship, which is not good for you. Why there is a devil here, I need to see. But there is new beginnings. The happy beginnings are coming for you, because there is wheel of fortune which is moving in your favor. Clarify me. Clarify me, Queen of Wands. Clarify me, Queen of Wands. Justice and the Emperor has come. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Seven of Swords and Knight of Wands. Maybe they were a player kind of energy. This Emperor is a player kind of energy, in and out energy. There were some secrets which was hidden from you. There is Moon and there is Seven of Swords bottom of the deck. That's why there is Devil here too. There are some lying, cheating, manipulation is going on, Aquarius. That's why there is justice which is being served in your case. There is Emperor and the Empress, both are having, you are dealing with your divine counterpart. The Emperor and the Empress is here. There were some kind of lies, cheating, manipulation going on here. The justice is being served in your case. There are some lies, cheating, manipulation which is going on here. Clarify me, Page of Swords. Why there is Page of Swords? Clarify, Page of Swords. This is you. Queen of Pentacles, Six of Swords and Queen of Cups. Again. You want to come towards the calmer waters. Maybe that's why you are keeping an eye on someone. You're doing you're spying on someone, Aquarius. This is you. Let me see why there is Queen of Cups. Clarify me, Queen of Cups. This is not here. Okay. Ten of Swords, Nine of Pentacles and Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Five of Wands. There was drama, conflicts, fighting around you. They put you... There is Ten of Wands was there and there is Ten of Swords here. Okay. They backstab you. They put all the swords in the back. Either this person do it or any other. But they hurt you to the extreme. And after this Ten of Swords energy, you were single. You were single. You were enjoying your singlehood. You was enjoying your singlehood and you're saying that I'm happy, abundant in my own way. In the past, there were some dramas here. The drama is here. The fighting is here. The conflicts is here. Okay, clarify me, King of Cups. Why there is King of Cups? Too many cards. Too many cards. Okay, Eight of Pentacles. See, King of Pentacles as here. Strength. Five of Pentacles, Hierophant. Eight of Swords and King of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Two of Cups. They are putting lots of efforts with them. They're keeping their strength with you. There is a strength card. They're keeping their strength with themselves. They are putting lots of efforts, time in this relationship. But they are seeing that you are walking away from them. They are seeing you, either you are leaving this situation or person behind, or they are leaving a situation or condition or a person behind. And again the Hierophant has come here. Either you are committed to this person, or you both are married to each other. And there is Eight of Swords and there is King of Pentacles here. This is you. The Queen of Pentacle, I told you, this is the Queen of Pentacle was your partner. Okay, I told you that. And here it is. This is you. You're feeling stuck, restricted. You are unable to move in a forward direction. That's why you are feeling like an hangman. You're feeling like restricted, very restricted. And here I'm having Queen of Swords, the Star, the Knight of Pentacle, and the Two of Cups. The Tower is also here. They are coming towards you, Aquarius. They want to give you Two of Cups, but right now maybe you are unable to see it because they are coming at a very slow pace. Clarify me, Death. What is ending in Aquarius life? What is ending? See, that's why I told you Three of Cups energy. Three of Pentacle, Three of Swords, Ace of Pentacle, and the Sun. Third party situation is going to end. 2121 was the recording reading time. Three of Pentacle, Three of Swords has again come. Maybe there was someone around you who is trying to give you Ace of Pentacles, stable, solid, committed offer, and they're giving you the Sun here is there. Death and rebirth, and the Sun is here. The third party situation is going to end. All the past hurts, the break, whatever it was, that is going to end, Aquarius. Going to receive some kind of offer is coming towards you by your King of Wands. They're putting the seeds here. They're trying to give you the happiest beginning. The Sun card has here. Clarify me, Temperance. Clarify, Temperance. See, Page of Wands has again come here. There was someone around you, Aquarius, they were trying to give you equal amount of give and take. Maybe they were giving you some kind of passionate, creative new beginning or idea. But there were some lies, cheating, manipulation going on in your life with this person. There is someone who is very romantic maybe, but there is Seven of Wands attached to this person. They were giving you equal amount of give and take. They were igniting your passion. Maybe they are very passionate, fiery energy. But there were some lies, cheating, manipulation which is attached to this person. That's why you're keeping your patience with you. Please clarify me, Page of Wands. Hermit. Page of Wands. You're doing your soul searching and you're holding back from them. You are taking your energy from them. You're holding back your energy. You're saying that no, I'm not going to. You're holding your energy. You're doing your soul searching and all. Doing the energy. And bottom of the deck, I'm having the Two of Swords. You are unable to make a decision right now because of the past things. Okay. Give me the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius? Please, what is the advice? Let's see what is the advice from the divine, from the universe. What is the advice for the Aquarius all over the world? Give me the advice. Let me see one more thing first. Wait. I have not clarified Seven of Cups. Clarify Seven of Cups. Why there is Seven of Cups? See, again Three of Cups has come. Okay. And bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords. Clarify me, Seven of Cups. Page of Pentacle, Eight of Cups. Okay. The Fool and King of Wands. Maybe they try to start a new beginning with you. They want to take a leap of faith with you, Aquarius. But you were thinking that there is some third party situation which is going on with your life or in their life. What is the advice for Aquarius? Please give me the advice. What is the advice for Aquarius from the divine, from the universe? Release all burdens which you are carrying on. What is the advice? See, Empress. You're rising as an Empress, Aquarius. You are rising as an Empress. You need to keep your strength. The strength has come here. What is the advice? Please give me the advice for Aquarius. King of Cups. Give me the advice. Okay. It just fell out. Okay. There is some kind of, again, Ace of Pentacles is here again. Some kind of stable committed offer is coming towards you, Aquarius. There is some offer which is coming towards you here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Wheel of Fortune, the Star, and the Ace of Pentacles which fallen out. Okay. There is stable committed offer which is coming towards you. There is a World card here. That's why there is a reason, because there is 10 of Swords and 10 of Wands. There is a completion here. You are rising as an Empress after this. You were carrying lots of burden on your shoulder. They were all swords which put in your back. But you were keeping your strength. Okay. There is a King of Cups who will give you the clarity, Aquarius. There is a clarity which is coming towards you. See me more. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having 5 of Swords and there is 3 of Pentacles. There was some third party situation, and that's why you're feeling like an hangman. There were some conflicts around you with this person, but you will come towards the calmer waters. There is 6 of Swords here. You will come towards the calmer waters. Do not worry. Clarify me, King of Cups. Clarify me, King of Cups. See, again, 8 of Wands is here. Communication is coming towards you, Aquarius. Yeah, see, that's why there is 7 of Cups attached to King of Swords. They are exploring other options. High Priestess, King of Wands, and the 7 of Cups. Maybe they are exploring other options. They're keeping their options open. You will get your clarity. Do not worry at all. This King of Cups is King of Wands. And King of Wands is someone who is from your past. You will come towards calmer waters. Right now you're feeling like an hangman. Do not worry. You will come towards the calmer waters. Clarify me, King of Cups, more. See, they will... That's the Judgment. 10 of Pentacles, abundance of everything. They will provide you. You will create abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of happiness, everything with this person. That's the Judgment. But lots of communication is coming towards you. Any other thing? Again, 6 of Swords has come here again. You will come towards the calmer waters. Do not worry at all. You will come towards the calmer waters. Whatever situation is happening right now, that's a completion of a cycle. Okay, that's a completion of a cycle. You will come towards the calmer waters. There is a lots of communication which is coming for you. Okay. There is 8 of Wands and 8 of Wands. Let's summarize your reading. There is a pair here. There is Queen of Wands and King of Wands is here. There is a power couple here. You're dealing with your divine counterpart. This person is from your past. There is Six of Cups and Six of Cups here. This person is from your past. You both know each other. There are some secrets which are hidden from you, and you know that. You know that there are some secrets which are hidden from you. There is some kind of toxicity which is attached to this. Maybe in the past they put you in a third party situation, or your heart was broken several times. Okay, there is three of swords. I got three, lots of three was there. Three of cups, three of swords, three of pentacles. See, three of cups was there two times. Usually I don't read three of cups as third party situation, but today I'm getting the energy of third party situation. Three of pentacle here again. So lots of three is there. So some kind of third party situation is happening for you. That's why. Here I'm having Emperor and the Empress. You're dealing with your divine counterpart, the soulmate, your twin flame, whatever you can call them. Okay. You are more focusing on those things which are fallen out again in the life, which has already happened in the past. Do not be in this energy for a long period of time, Aquarius. Okay. Whatever situation is happening, that is going to end. There is a death card here. You need to keep your strength, your patience, your strength. You need to keep your strength. Temperance and strength. So where is the strength? Okay, here. You need to keep your patience. You need to keep your strength with you. Things will be better. You are carrying lots of on your shoulder. There is 10 of wands and the 10 of swords is here. Okay, that's why you're completing a cycle here. The world card has come because there is no 11. There is no 11. There is a King of Cup and Queen of Cup here again. You will come towards the calmer waters. That is for sure. Why I'm saying that, I'm having Six of Swords and Six of Swords from 3 decks. Okay, Six of Swords and Six of Swords. You will come towards the calmer waters. Aquarius, do not worry at all. Okay. This King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. All King and Queen are here today in this reading. Okay. There is King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. You are dealing with your divine counterpart. Either you are exploring other options other than you, or they are keeping their options open. But someone is exploring options. Someone is keeping their options open. You will get your clarity. Do not worry at all. You will get your clarity. Maybe right now there is conflicts here with the Five of Swords. But do not worry. You will get your clarity. There is Ace of Swords here. You will get your clarity. You know the truth. You know the truth. You know that something is hidden from you, because Queen of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, who knows the truth. Truth seeker, truth giver. So that was your reading for January 2021. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.